Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the iOS 18 call recording features. So here, as you can see, I'm in my iOS 18 right now. As you can see, I can change and customize my colors here in my own home screen, as you can see. But right now, the iOS 18 call recording features is not yet available to beta 2, so it might be available in beta 3. So it's really crucial that we'll have this soon. So this is what it will look like basically here in iOS 18. So you're gonna be able to record, but it's gonna be have to have the consent of the other person. So here we can also see that there will be also the summarization of your transcript in the call. So you can also see that here's the call with your certain contact, and then you'll be able to transcribe it into words, and it's gonna be really cool. So once this is gonna be released, I will be showing you guys as soon as possible, but this is gonna be the iOS 18 call recording feature. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.